Hi friends, welcome to GK Tech Talk. In today's video, we are going to discuss top 5 earning plans for jobless skill engineer. You can earn from your home itself. There are so many people completing their engineering or MCA and they are coming to cities like Mumbai, Hyderabad and Bangalore. They are trying to get a job as a software engineer. As a fresher, they are trying to get a job, but unfortunately there are lack of jobs. As a fresher, opportunities are very less in the industry, so most of the people are going back to their hometowns and they're settling down there in some business, or they are settling down as a lecturer and they are doing MTech and they're going for engineering colleges as a lecturer. These are the things happening, but there are so many skilled people, they're going back without job, but they have a passion to do something with the programming skill, but they are unable to do. For them, I am just trying to give a guidance through this video. Let's get started. Okay, what are the top 5 earnings we can do with our programming knowledge? Okay, suppose if I learned HTML, PHP, JavaScript and jQuery and Python. So these are the simple scripting languages. With this scripting language knowledge, you can build some websites and even you can build some small simple web applications, okay, utility applications, and you can even learn core Java with Android. So after coming to cities, after completing your engineering, you may gone through at least few of the programming languages, right? Definitely you will learn some technologies like Java, .NET or PHP or testing, anything you may learn. So don't worry about job, you just think like you already in the job. Even you went back to your hometown, just gather all the programming information, keep touch with it, so you can make use of it to earn money from your hometown itself. Okay, sitting in your home you can earn money. How we can do that? Let's see what are the top 5 earnings. I already did all these 5 things, that's why I'm suggesting. Okay, so most of the people are worrying about the job. If they didn't get job, they will go back to their hometown because of their financial conditions, and there are so many other conditions affecting their career, right? So even you went back to your hometown, you are working in a business, or you may working as a lecturer in nearby engineering college. You can start doing these things. You can keep in touch with the programming and you can up to date with the upcoming technologies as well. Okay, you can work like a software engineer from your home with these things. Okay, what is the first one? Teach your technical knowledge to somebody nearby you. Okay, suppose you are working in a college or you are doing some business, you have weekends, right? Saturday, Sunday, or you may have at least one day off, right? In that day you try to teach your technology to the nearby known people. First you start with your known people. So many people are nowadays studying engineering, they are trying to learn Java, C++, these kind of languages, and HTML, these kind of languages they are trying to learn. For them, you just try to give your guidance and try to help them to make it understand. Like you just teach them for free for a couple of people. So like that you can start on it. So then you will get understanding how to teach them. So whatever you know, you just plan syllabus and you can plan a class. So first start with free classes and slowly you can pick up and you can gather more students and you can do the teaching your technology from your home itself. You can even do this in online if you have a very good communication skills. Okay, there are so many online portals, you can register and you can find students there. You can teach them in a better way and you can get good rating there, so that you will continuously getting more students on your familiar technologies. Okay, this is one of the option. And the next option, earn money through freelancing. So you can even earn money by developing something. So this also you can start from your local people, local contacts. Like there are so many people are running businesses in your area. You can just contact them, try to give a website kind of thing. Start with a website kind of simple thing. Otherwise you can even create a simple Android app for their business that will create exposure to you how to develop things. Okay, so that is nothing but development. Don't think like once you get into a job then only we can do the development. We can do the development anywhere. You can treat your own business also as a client. So you have a shop, you have a supermarket, you can build your own website and you can try to do whatever you want in that website, like payment, online payment and all these things you can try out. Okay, once you are able to do that, then you can use a similar kind of requirement to any other clients, whoever wants in your area, whoever wants this kind of software. And there are so many schools, you can provide school software. And there are so many restaurants, you can even provide a website to the restaurants. These kind of things you can start. Either first you start with your own technical skills and upgrade your skills based on the requirement, and form a team. Possible, form a team like 2 to 3 people, form together and try to get clients and do whatever is possible. So try to do better way and get the good name that will build your portfolio. Good portfolio you will have. Suppose what are the things you are able to do, that and all you will get to know. What are the things you are failing to do, that and all you will get to know. So based on that you can upgrade your skills, and for the next client you can do it better way. Okay, there are so many freelancing websites as well. First you start with your local people and then come to freelancing website. In freelancing website you have to bid for a project based on the requirement, time and money based. You have to bid a project, and once you got selected you need to complete it and you need to get a money. Okay, that is the procedure. So at the end of this video I am going to show you what are the best websites for freelancing. Okay, what is the next one? Next one is blog your programming skills. So blogging is one of the concept where you can earn money through Google, placing AdSense ads. Google AdSense is a concept where they will place ads in your website, and based on that you will get a money. So more people are visiting your website, then you will get a money. You can earn money if you have a good writing skills. You can do this. You have good writing skills and programming skills, you can start a blog on programming languages. Like you can create content for upcoming updated technologies like Angular, Android, these kind of technologies. You can provide solutions through your website that will give you more traffic, so that you can earn money on top of it. Okay, this is one of the way. And next one, develop an Android app. Try to develop simple apps and publish it into Play Store. There also you can earn money through Google Ads. So you can place simple ads in your app and you can get the money. So for this also it will be good, like similar like-minded friends form together as a group and do it. Okay, so this and all won't happen in overnight. You have to do little bit R&D and you have to have little bit patience. Why? Because you are not investing much on this, right? It's like you just build as a part-time thing, and later point of time it will grow bigger, then that will help you as a full-time. Okay, so these and all won't happen in the night. Overnight we can't become a good developer, or we can't become a successful YouTuber and all. So these and all time taking process, but if you have a passion towards the programming, these are the things you can able to do, and you can earn little bit money on top of it. If it grown bigger, then you can earn more. Okay, start your YouTube channel. In the YouTube channel you can earn money. So many YouTubers are there, they are doing their whatever they know. You can also do the same thing. whatever you know is what we know. We know only programming. So we can start giving tutorials, video tutorials in your local language or even in English. Okay, this is another way of, you can even do multiple things in this list if you have time. Okay, but for all these things you should have good communication. You have to keep update with the upcoming programming languages, and you need to build your portfolio. These are the works I did. This many people got trained through me, and these are the tutorials I prepared. So that portfolio you need to build it, and these are the apps we developed. So just form a group, just give a name to your group and plan a website and YouTube channel. Parallelly you just develop local, in your local area, is there any needs for websites, apps, you just find them and try to develop for them with less cost. That will give you more benefit. Okay, that will give the confidence and that little bit money. So later point of time you can target bigger things. Even you can teach students. So many engineering colleges are there nowadays. Most of the students are coming from towns only. So you can even target people who are want to learn good programming languages. So you can teach them, you can help them in doing their projects. You can form a network. Okay, so this is one thing. And last one is very important. You should not waste your time in weekends, and you have to form a good group, like who are really interested to do things like this. Okay, and plan your schedule. So you have to upgrade your skills, and at the same time you need to plan your execution. Okay, start executing these kind of things based on a schedule. Don't skip any schedule, just stick to it. Be your own boss, then only it will work out. Okay, so next one, these are the freelancing websites: freelancer.in, upwork.com, guru.com. There mostly you can find static websites and dynamic websites, Android apps, this kind of stuff you can find. Even you can find some Java projects. If you are skillful in Java, you have team with you, 3 to 4 people. You can even opt for big projects here. Okay, so next one, teaching. You can do teaching through urbanpro.com, superprof.co.in. there you have to create your profile. Okay, then you just keep progressing with teaching. You can get more people, more students you will get, and you can teach them. Okay, next one is through Google ads, like through Android apps, blogging and YouTube channel. Through Google only you are going to get the money. These are all the ways you can try out. Instead of feeling bad, I'm not getting a job and all, you can try all these things. Parallelly you may get a job also. Why? Because you have keep in touch with the programming. So you know the programming, you will get the experience of building something. So definitely you can grow your career. Okay, so these are the ways. If you are interested and passionate about doing something in the programming language, you can do all these things. All the best. I hope this video will be helpful for so many people. So I already tried all these things, that's why I'm giving suggestion. Please give your feedback in comment section. Please like my channel and subscribe to it. Share to your friends and family. Please click on bell icon so that whenever I upload a video you will get a notification. Thanks for watching this video. We'll see in the next video with another topic. Goodbye.